In this video, we'll be showing you how to add an event. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. There are two options for adding an event. Head to Admin, Events, and then the Manage menu, where you can find Add Event and Add Event from Template. There is a link to the video tutorial and FAQ in the description below for how to add an event from Template using the Event Template Wizard, which is the quickest and easiest way. If your event does not fit into any of the event templates we have currently defined, then you can add your event from scratch by selecting Add Event. Enter the name of your event. Names should be kept fairly succinct, as names will show on any tickets. If you need to add more information about your event, use the description field. Then select an event type. If your event type doesn't fit into any of these categories, choose Other, or drop us an email and we can add a new event type. Events of type School Disco, Film Night and Magic Show are classified as child-only events, and therefore we will automatically add product questions for contact details different to those of the person placing the order, and if the attendee has any allergies or medical needs. The description is an optional field to include a description for your event. For organisers, you can specify up to 8 people who can be responsible for organising this event. When these people log into your PTA Events website, they will be able to edit everything to do with this event, from products and tickets to product questions and tasks. They will also be able to see all booking information. The order confirmation email text is a free text field. Any text entered here will appear in the order confirmation email when a customer orders any product for this event. You can use it to thank your customers for purchasing products for this event or inform them of any further information relating to the event. Check this box if you would like the order confirmation emails to be BCC'd to the event organisers, and check this box if you would like the volunteer confirmation emails to be BCC'd to the event organisers. Now enter the start date and time of the actual event. Both start date and time fields are required. Then enter the end date and time of your event. The PTA Events platform does not handle events that span multiple days very well. If you have an event that runs from 3:30 till 4 o'clock on 3 consecutive days, it is recommended that you add the first date and then use the copy function in the Manage Event menu and change the subsequent dates for the remaining events. The sales start and end dates and times are for when you would like all products from this event to go on sale. If this event will have products associated with it, you should always set the start date and time here. If you would like to override this for individual products, then you can set a product-specific sales start and end date and times for each product. The purge data date is very key for GDPR minimisation. Here you can set a date when we will automatically purge answers to product questions and booking information from our database. If no date is set, this will default to 90 days after the event end date. Please see further information in the Helps and Hints box. For fee types, the PTA Events platform is integrated with Stripe for processing payments. You have the option here whether to pass this fee on to your customers to pay voluntarily, i.e. the customer can opt in to pay the fee at checkout. It could also be added as a compulsory fee, but note that this is only applicable within the EU if the fee applies to all payment methods including cash and cheques. Finally, there could be no fee because you've already adjusted the price of your ticket or products to incorporate the fee. Platform fee types. These are charged according to your plan. You have the same options here as with the fee type. Check the Only Show Event Between Sales Dates checkbox if you only want your event to be listed and visible to your community between the sales start and end dates. If you would like to temporarily hide all tasks for this event from showing in the event details, volunteers page and in the volunteers section of My Account, then check this option. Just remember to uncheck this when you are happy for your tasks to be available for your customers to volunteer for. If you would like to reduce clutter by removing your products from view if they are sold out, then check the Hide Sold Out Product checkbox. Checking the Ask for Volunteers checkbox means the checkout process will be interrupted to ask for volunteers for tasks for this event. Please note that if no tasks exist for this event, then the checkout process will not be interrupted and will continue as normal. The event location is the address or area that will be shown in your tickets, for example, school field or school hall. Entering a postcode of the event means that this can be used to retrieve a map of the event from Google Maps for your event page. If you need to specify total capacity for your event, you can do this here. You will also then need to select which of your event products are included in this calculation. For example, if you are having a fireworks display and you only wanted different ticket types to be included in the event capacity and not the vouchers for your barbecue. Please ensure you specify which tickets and products should be included in this event capacity by checking Include in Event Capacity for each product. Leave this empty if there are no event capacity to set for this event. Please note that if you're only selling one product, we would advise against using event capacity because the capacity of the event is defined by the stock quantity of the one product you are selling. Checking the Hide Event Capacity checkbox will prevent the event capacity figures from showing on your event detail page. The feature will still be used to prevent oversales behind the scenes. You can choose how your event image will fit into the event panel on your event details page. And you can select an event image either from the existing library event images or from your local device. Please note the ideal width and height for these images. Then click on the Add Event button. You can then preview your event by selecting Preview from the Manage menu. And that's it, you can now successfully add an event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up classes to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.